Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your screen display to infinite on Honor 50 using app Caffeine. To do this, you need to go to Play Store, but first I'm just gonna show you an example. If we go to settings, then display and brightness, and here we go to sleep, and maximum timeout is 10 minutes. So let's change it to infinite. We go to Google Play Store, search for an app, write Caffeine, like this one, and download this app. Install. Open. Don't show again. Timeout. And make sure it's infinite right here. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.